Madagascar is located in Southeast Africa. Madagascar is the fourth largest island in the world. What do you think is happening there? A fight amongst beasts happens deep within the jungle. Though the tiger won in the end, it was also greatly injured. After a while, the tiger rubs its wounds on the grass. What is this grass? The Asiatic pennywort is known to be good even for tigers' wounds. Through research, it was identified that the natural substance from the Asiatic pennywort has an excellent calming effect. Did you know that in a lot of scar ointments, the Asiatic pennywort substance is included as well? With enough of this substance, it is classified as medicine. And with just a little bit, it is considered a cosmetic product, while most cosmetic products have only a very small amount of this substance. In this Atomy product, there is an ample amount of Asiatic pennywort included. It is Atomy Derma Real Cica line. The Asiatic pennywort substance included in this product has been extracted in an eco-friendly way. Even just one drop has a strong calming and moisturizing effect. Also, all of the substances come from nature. This will keep your sensitive skin safe. Atomy Derma Real Cica.